Restoration, where we're showing you the oddest things that come into the shop. But before we talk about this piece, please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or to our YouTube channel and watch all the things that come in and out. And please send us something that we can restore for you. So today we have a marble statue. It looks like it could be Italian, and it has a looks like a guitar or a violin here that has the neck completely broken off. You can see how nicotine stained it is from all of the years of smoking. When I asked the customer, hey, was your family smokers? And he says, well, only everybody. And so you see the original color of the marble was the Carrara white marble, and this is the base that it sits on. So it sits like this, and then this post fits in here, which is badly broken. So you can see we're going to make a repair there, and that's what this rod is for. This rod goes through the entire piece to hold this stable. And you can see it has a little tambourine here. And then this is the crown piece that goes on the top, which used to have a big globe, but he's just wanting to keep it like this because they put a plant or whatever in there. So then when he said, oh wow, our violin neck is broken off, he gave me this little wooden, I guess it's a cello. And so he said maybe that neck would work for you to fabricate a new one or to make a casting of the new one. So we want you guys to watch and see what our craftsman team can do to bring this thing back together. And he said, the customer said, well, I don't want to clean it all the way because that'll change it. I've known it all my life just like this. See, it has damage here, damage to the post, scrapes on the back and the edge. So we're not going to try to remove the nicotine. We're going to try to cast this musical instrument piece. We're going to repair this with resin, and then we're going to try to color it to match. So take a look at the last video and see, well, how did we do? Thanks for watching. So today we have this marble piece, and you can see that it has discolored. That was something that we showed you before, is that you can see that it was white Carrara marble, and it has gathered nicotine and age and has become so aged and yellowed over time that the customer asked us to make these repairs. So we totally rebuilt what was cracked here. You probably saw the before videos. And also we made a new stem for the guitar. And I believe that this is either a violin or a guitar, and it has a new stem now and painted to match. And so that was what the customer requested, the rebuild of this broken, some of the chips touched up, and some of the edges of the hat and so forth where it was in moving damage. And all of those repairs have been done now, and we didn't change it too much. And that's what the customer asked. You know, I don't want to remove the nicotine. I don't want to make it all white again because all of my life I remember it like this. And so this is where we didn't go too far to bring it back to white. We kept it in a similar color as what the memory is. So again, we're restoring memories, working miracles to restore memories. And so thanks for watching.